Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about a character from our favorite series Heartland. Who is Olivia Wheaton from Heartland and the actress who plays her? Do watch this video till the end to know everything about Olivia in our latest edition. Olivia Wheaton is the rival of Georgie Fleming Morris, the adoptive daughter of Lou Fleming Morris and Peter Morris. In season 6 and season 7, she made fun of Georgina and then got punched. This caused Georgie to be grounded for assaulting Olivia and she was forced to apologize to her. In late season 9, Olivia kissed Adam, whom she had a crush on. Olivia seems to enjoy inserting herself into Georgie's life, such as joining the trick riding extreme team when she had previously shown zero interest in the activity. It may be probably because of a sense of jealousy over seeing her rival excel or something. She also makes a move on Adam at a party and Georgie sees them kissing. Though this blows over and Georgie and Adam continue to date, Olivia still has designs on Adam. Their relationship does begin to go from antagonistic to more friend-like in the episode Here and Now. Extreme Team coach Natalie chooses Olivia to headline the team at the end of season event. Georgie will be her backup. Natalie expects Olivia to perform an advanced trick called the tail drag. Georgie cautions her to be careful, which Olivia interprets as jealousy. At the very first go at the tail drag in practice, Olivia flounders and suggests to Natalie that they do a less advanced trick. The coach isn't impressed with this and immediately gives the role of headliner to Georgie. While Georgie tries to hide her elation over this, it quickly becomes evident that Natalie won't take insubordination from anyone. Amy expresses her own concerns when Georgie attempts the tail drag in practice and believes that she needs to tell Natalie is simply too dangerous of a trick for any of the girls to attempt at this stage. When Georgie confronts Natalie about it, she makes it clear that she is picking a new headliner and that person will be doing the tail drag. Georgie knows it's not worth the risk, so she declares she's quitting and starts to leave with checkers. Olivia surprisingly pipes up for Georgie to wait and she's quitting too. The rest of the team follows suit and it's a complete mutiny. And by the end of the episode, Natalie has had a change of heart and she calls the team back to apologize. Georgie relinquishes her headliner role to Sam, who was originally supposed to have that position but had been penalized for an earlier infraction. Georgie also suggests a safer version of the tail drag trick of the two riders in tandem, one for the tail drag and the other for hippodrome, to control the horse. She further suggests that she and Olivia take turns at the shows during the hippodrome. When Georgie breaks up with Adam in the episode Home Sweet Home, Olivia and Adam become an item, a fact Georgie discovers in the episode Dreamer. They actually remain an item for season 11, though mostly off-screen. Olivia's most recent appearance was in the episode Decision Time when Georgie decides to quit Extreme Team to focus on show jumping. Olivia tries to hide her glee over the announcement as Georgie's exit means she is able to be sole headliner on the team. Close to the conclusion of season 12, Adam reveals Olivia has broken up with him. During a drive out to Calgary for a concert with Wyatt and Georgie, he forlornly tells them he has created a playlist of songs written in the key of C minor, which is the key that best epitomizes the lovesick soul. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.